Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Coded Steel and welcome to your fourth tutorial in the C programming language. So if you guys remember last time I talked about registers and showed you how to build simple addition and subtraction type operations. I wanted to go a little bit further into the mathematical functions that C is capable of reproducing. So what I'm actually going to do first is I'm going to get rid of this stuff because we're not going to really enter a number anymore. I'm just going to assign them via the variables here. So as you guys might guess, C can do much more than just addition and subtraction. It's actually capable of 3 more operations that I can think of off the top of my head. Obviously multiplication is one of them. So I'm going to show you guys that. And if you guys can see, it's 56. Obviously ignore the sum, I forgot to change it again because I'm lazy. But it says 7 and 8 on the screen, so 7 times 8 is definitely 56, like the compiler returned. So then, obviously, as you would guess, it has division. Now, division is an odd operation because of the way it works. Quotient. Sorry guys, that was annoying me. Anyways, what I was saying is division is an odd operation because it doesn't work conventionally. As you guys know, there's remainders. When you do division, there's remainders. So there's 2 conditions for division. If the numbers divide equally, which 14 and 2 will, it should give me 7, right? So, and it definitely does. The quotient is 7, like the compiler says. But what happens if it's not even? What if this is 15? What will it return? Well, let's take a look and see what it actually returns. Guys, it actually returns 7. Oh, that's odd, isn't it? Well, there's actually a reason for that. We're telling C that we want ints, and the return product of the return where we're storing the result of the operation is also an int. So it's not capable of returning the decimal places that would be after this. So we actually is supposed to be 7.5, but it gave us 7. So there's actually an operation, the final operation, that will actually return the remainder of a division operation, and that's called the Modulus Operator, which is represented by the %. And the Modulus Operator, just like I was telling you, will return the remainder. So the remainder of 15 and 2 should be 1, right? Well, let's see what happens. And indeed, as we can see, the remainder is 1. So, anyways, those are the basic math operations that are built into C. Now, there are other things you can do. You could create like exponential functions, sine functions, tangent functions, all these other odd functions that you guys probably might know about from like math classes that you've taken or whatever else, or research stuff. You're capable of doing that stuff, but C doesn't have built-in operations for doing those types of functions. But we can actually create them, and probably in a later tutorial I will actually show you guys how to do stuff like that. Well, anyways, that's all I have for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys.